Today we will be talking about the word água, water in Portuguese. We will cover some essential types of water and some very interesting and useful proverbs and expressions linked to this theme. If you are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Sandra, and I've been teaching Portuguese for over 12 years now. I'm a Portuguese living in Los Angeles, sharing my passion for the Portuguese language and culture. If this is a topic that interests you, don't forget to subscribe. E agora, vamos começar! Let's cover some useful types of water. Água com gás, sparkling water. Água sem gás, flat water. Interesting how in Portugal many people like to drink water room temperature. We call it água natural. So it can be a false friend if you think it has to do with the quality of the water. Chilled water is água fresca. If you like it with ice and lemon, com gelo e limão. Tap water is água da torneira, and bottled water is água engarrafada. Coconut water is água de coco, and tonic water, água tônica. If you're looking for something waterproof, we say à prova de água. Let's dive in and learn some useful expressions with água. The first one is meter água. It literally means to put or pour water. But it's also a Portuguese metaphor that means to screw up something, to make a mistake, or to say something inappropriate. As in, hoje meti água na reunião. Today I messed up in the meeting. The next one is the Portuguese equivalent to the English water under the bridge. Also using the word water, Portuguese people use águas passadas não movem moinhos, using bygone waters and watermills with the same meaning. Something that happened in the past and cannot be changed, but should no longer be a source of concern or attention. A Luísa fez erro no relatório, mas já lhe disse que águas passadas não movem moinhos. Luísa did a mistake in her report, but I already told her that it's water under the bridge. Another useful expression is ir por água abaixo, just like the English, going down the drain. Queria tanto assistir ao espetáculo, mas os bilhetes esgotaram e os meus planos foram por água abaixo. I wanted to see the show so badly, but the tickets sold out and my plans went down the drain. The next one speaks about not taking responsibility. We say sacudir a água do capote when we are talking about someone that is trying to attribute blame to others. Capote is a typical cape from the Alentejo region, and this literally means to brush off water from the cape. Here's an example. O Manuel partiu a jarra da mãe, mas sacudiu a água do capote e disse que foi o gato. Manuel broke his mother's vase, but passed on the responsibility and said that the cat did it. Our last expression for today is levar água ao seu moinho. Again, bringing together water and watermills. This one is used when someone is trying to obtain personal advantages, to achieve personal benefits. Quite like the English, to turn things to one's advantage or to get one's way. O meu filho pediu-me tanto para ir com os amigos que conseguiu levar água ao seu moinho. My son asked me so much to go with his friends that he was able to get his way. Lastly, here's a word of motivation for you and your Portuguese. We have the saying, água mole em pedra dura, tanto bate até que fura. That literally means soft water hits hard stone until it makes a hole in it. This proverb has its roots in the classics Roman poets, and it means that with persistence, people are more prone to win and succeed. So just like the water, slowly but consistently, you will also succeed on your Portuguese learning journey. Leave me a comment if you enjoyed the video. Até a próxima!